packed with flavor and topped with whipped cream cheese. Fun on the tongue right there. These are so good, I think I'm gonna earn my wings with this recipe. Well, then you'll be a full flavor fairy, right? Yes, just like Bellamy. She's my mentor. Well, let's get going. You got it. Whisk your egg whites to stiff peaks. That one's a little limpy there. There, see the clouds and the mountain peak left by the whisk? Blistering biscuits. This planet's a sugar-coated maze. That peach is slipperier than a greased donut at a taffy pull. You said we'd grab the peach and go. That was 20 licorice puddles and one exploded truffle ago. Shh. Lass, look yonder. Cream together, 3/4 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. This'll take about 5 minutes. Scrape down the bowl, make sure nothing's hiding in the bottom, and add in the 3 yolks. You didn't throw them away, did you? Beat in 1 cup of peach preserves. What the fluff is that? I am Bellamy, the flavor fairy. Now alternate in between your dry and your wet. This'll help you keep from overbeating and making a tough cupcake. The dry is just 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda sifted together. And the wet is sour milk, which you make with vinegar. Distribute them evenly between 2 dozen cupcake liners. That's about 2 of these little scooper-dooper things. And bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Nope, not done. About 2 more minutes. And Bellamy, the flavor fairy. Full flavor fairy, notice the wings. Bellamy of the blushing grove, keeper of the peach zing. Mistress of flavorful whimsy and caretaker of the sacred flavor. Soften up your cream cheese. This is the safest way, by the way. And beat that until it's nice and smooth. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and your cream. The trick here is to add in about 1/2 cup to loosen up everything, and then the rest. This is called lump prevention here. And whisk it to stiff peaks. Well, frost me barnacles. This planet gets weirder by the cookie crumb. You seek the magic purple peach, but beware. Its power must be earned. Solve the riddle of the rolling spoons, or face the wrath of the sticky taffy titan. Set that in the fridge to firm up while we inject the cupcakes with the rest of the preserves. Yeah, told you it was packed with flavor. Break it up to make sure there's no large pieces that won't fit through the tip. Well, that answers the what next question. Let's riddle up before we get squashed like pineapple flan. Why didn't I stay with the money? You can also use an apple core like we did here. But there's just something oddly satisfying about injection like a jelly donut. We use a Wilton 1M. And we just love bakery frosting tops. First riddle. What is sweet but not sugar? Soft but not cream. Rises with heat but isn't steam.